Welcome to our free education YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to install your Canon G2010 printer drivers using download from the internet. This method is very useful if you don't have a driver, if you don't have driver CD, or if you don't have CD-ROM or DVD-ROM in your computer or laptop. You can use this method to install the printer. So I recommend you to use Google search engine to search this driver, because it will give you the correct driver link as the first result. So I am going to search you now like Canon G2010 printer driver. Sorry. As I said, first result is the correct, search result is the correct one, G2010 series full drivers and software package. So I click on that link. Okay, now we are in the page. We can download the driver. So when you download the driver for the Canon G2010 printers, same like other G series printer, you no need to worry about your Windows version, whether it's Windows 11 or Windows 10 or Windows 8 or Windows 7, 64 or 34-bit. No need to worry, because all the versions support this file you are going to download. So I click on the download button. I click on the start download. I am using the download manager software, that's why I got this type of window. If you don't have this software, you automatically download the file. Okay, I click start download. Okay, it's done. Now I open the download file. Click on yes. It's compressed file, so now it's going to extract all the files. Okay, extract is finished. Now it will automatically open the setup window. So I click on the start setup button. I click on the next. Now it's automatically downloading latest drivers and softwares from the internet. Normally there are 7 downloads, 7 files this going to download every time when you are using to install this driver software. So this will not take a long time. It's a very simple process. It will finish very soon. But this is depend on your internet speed. If you have a very good internet connection, this is a very quick step, but my internet is not so fast, so it will take a bit long time. Okay, it's done. Now it's give us the license agreement. I click on yes. Again we have to agree this, otherwise we can't install. Agree. Now drivers installing to this computer, Windows. So my Windows computer, it install Canon G2010 drivers. At this time you have to turn off your printer, because the software at one stage it says to now connect and power on the printer. At that time only you have to switch on your printer. Okay, same like before. This will not take any long time. This will finish very soon installing the driver. I hope your printer also switch off in this time. because after the driver install, the computer will say now connect and switch on the printer. Then it will install, it will find your printer automatically because drivers has been installed, so it will find your printer automatically. So don't switch on printer now, wait till you get the message from the software. Now it's will going to end installation process. Okay, now this is the window I am talking about before. Now it says to connect the printer. To connect the printer, first you have to connect the USB cable like this and switch on your printer. Then your printer will install automatically. So that's all you have to do. Then you can use your printer for the printing and scanning also, because this Canon G2010 printer has print, scan and photocopy all function. So thank you our video. Thank you watching our video. If you like our video, you can click on like button below. If you want to know more important videos like this, you can subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon also. Then you will get a notification once we upload a new video. So thank you for watching our video. We will see you again with the new video. Thank you.